Alright, let's start the session, guys. Welcome to another live stream. It's Monday, July 13th, and hope you're doing great. I didn't have a session on Friday. As I said in Wednesday, if the other two trades hit the stop loss, my max daily and weekly loss would be hit, so I wouldn't be able to trade anymore. So I just kind of removed myself from putting myself, how can you say? I didn't want to put myself in a position where I can get tempted to take the trade, if that makes sense. So that's why I didn't get into the live. And but we did have a weekly recap session with the community. Let me add the link of community to the chat. Good thing I talked about it. And nice. So one of the things we went over on weekly recap session was US30. During this week, last week, sorry. During last week, you can see they created the high and they came all the way to DMA on daily. They broke 3 hour, 1 hour. No cross happened between them, and price came right back above the DMAs. So that makes me. Good morning. How you doing? Nice. I was actually looking forward to see Crystal. I was waiting to see. That means the posts in community is working. I'm happy. So yeah, US30, everything based on our setup is there. Everything is bullish. 30 minutes also just crossed up with the bullish engulfing as well. I just got in with the stop below the level here. Didn't wait until 9:30 because I don't really see a stop hunt push happening, honestly, but we'll see. But what time is the live on Sundays? It's, if you check the community, you can see it in the, let me check it. I think it's called calendar. Yeah, on the on community there is a classroom and calendar tabs. When you click on calendar, there is a YouTube live 9 a.m. and 2 p.m. on, it's not Sundays, it's Saturdays. Okay, Sundays I'm not doing anything. This is Saturday Eastern time, 2 p.m. and yeah, we will go over every trade we took, I took, why it worked, didn't work out, and how it can be better. Alright, so let's go ahead and check the rest of the pairs as well. Let me check my OBS. Good. So on GBP Canadian, looking at 1 hour and 30 minutes, price is below DMA. However, it did hit that level. It's right at 3 hour time frame. It hit the daily too. Let's take a look. Really nice. If you want to ignore the 30-minute cross and just go by this, I would prefer, this can happen, we might miss this, but I prefer a little bit of more, especially when they came back down. You know, if this was just happening, it would be different, but they hit it, they came up, they came right back down. Not sure if they're gonna continue or they're gonna come, pushing it forward. So the only way to figure and be safe is to wait for candles to kind of tell us more. I won't put it on red light for now. Euro NZD, crazy week they had, the NZDs, and we missed it. But it wasn't really our setup. It was, but kinda it wasn't at the same time too. You see that Euro NZD on daily just getting crossed, so I don't really see any setup on it. especially being Monday. USD JPY back above DMA. I like this actually. The hit, the cross on 30 minutes just happened, and a perfect W here as well. It looks good. All time frames are bullish, and the stop loss is about 35 pips. Not bad at all. You can do 50, 60 pips too, but 35 pips works. I like this guy. So US30 is a buy. And USD JPY also want to keep it a buy. I'm just thinking that should I enter now or should we wait a little bit? I'm pretty much seeing everything I want to see. A rejection. Yeah, let's have no hesitation as well. I'm gonna go ahead and get in. Pips. Good to go. I need this as well. Let's put this thing in here. Take the link for the journal. I is the JPY. So the risk is 1% on both. Perfect. Alright, so the journal is done too. Let's see how it's gonna play out. It is Monday too. It might just stays there, and we'll see. But I do like what I see. Let's find something close to it. Okay, that's pretty much what we're witnessing right now. So consolidation, as you can see, drop. Let me see that W. I'm gonna fix it on the W. That's pretty much the W. You see, so maybe more stop hunt a little bit, not sure. Hopefully we survive, but it does look like a nice W that we had here happens here too. Okay, so let's go back here, check the rest. Here's the CHF. This one took me out on Friday. Looking at it right now, honestly it does look okay, but it's a little far from DMAs. Compare it to USD JPY right at level, US30, you know, around there too. I don't like that. And gold also, same thing. Looks sell. I do see the possible stop hunt on gold. Okay, actually, the 4,090, 4,100 to go there first. Hitting the level one more time or throw a weak. They're working this low for sure. I think we definitely gonna see a break of 4,000. And let's take a look at Euro USD. Euro USD completely went to the sell now. The 3 hour and 1 hour R candles and DMAs are very together. Can't really trust it. Consolidation between these two levels. No, thank you. Let's take a look at EuroCAD. It's taking a long time for this to play out. We took so many different times here too. You can see one of them was here. We took some buys. Overall, I think EuroCAD with all the, let me check, with all the tries that we had on it, EuroCAD, yeah, 1 loss, 2 profit, 3 trade taken. Let me check the date. Actually 4 trade. 4 trade is taken, 2 profit, 1 loss, 1 break even. So, and it didn't even move yet towards where we wanted it to go. So not bad really. I don't think I'm gonna take it now because as you can see, bullish on daily, bearish on 3 hour, 1 hour, no thanks. Same thing. GBP USD turning bullish. DMA on daily also becoming bullish. Just need a little bit more of a play around here, or maybe a push and come back and hit, you know, something like this before seeing it. And the reason I'm kind of waiting for that to happen is the yearly moving average being right here. Change this to some more aggressive color. Okay. So that being here, I wanna wait and see what's gonna happen over there. Looking at GJ, looking nice, like UJ. Pretty same setup actually. Just UJ looks a little nicer with that W. About 70 pips is stop loss. I think I'm good with 2 trade. Let's see how those two are at. Let's wait a little bit till 9:30 and see if US30 wanna do some funny business or it's just gonna work out. I don't wanna make too many trades. Checking my own journal, guys. I got into, last week, working on my own journal. I got to realization that doing live trades in YouTube and coming in trying to keep it entertaining and taking so many trades is not really, it's not that it's bugging me, it's just not working for my trading accounts, I should say. Okay, because it's not even hitting me emotionally, to be honest. But the trading account should grow faster than what it is right now. It's lots of trades that are not necessary, as I saw in my journal, that could wait, that could have a little more patience to get better setup or not to get out. All that kind of stuff. The overall made me realize that maybe I shouldn't. Since I take trades every day now, I used to have 3 trade max, but I would take 4 or 5 trade a week completely. The way I was doing it was, taking 1 or 2 trade, 1 or 2 days in a week was the days I would enter. The rest of the days I would just check it and go. I wouldn't enter into anything. But now I'm sitting here for 1 hour, and the temptation is high, and I want to keep it entertaining. With all that, makes me take a lot of trades. Taking those trades is not good for the trading account. So I didn't do it yet, but I'm thinking if this happens again, if I have the same problem one more week, then I will be dropping my max daily loss from 3 trade to 2, and that will make me take only 2 trade per session, and hopefully that will be a little savior. But if it doesn't, but if it does work as it is doing now, I might keep it 3, but we'll see. Your JPY, look at this. We will not touch it. I just want to see. It is above yearly moving average, but very dangerous. Looking at Euro AUD, came below DMA, as you can see. We are bearish on 3 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes. I think we're getting ready to see sell off on this. Let's see if they're gonna stay above this, between this bullish cross, or they're gonna come down. Too early a little bit to say. GBAUD already showing, it looks like you want to push a little harder up there, and nothing really here. There is a reason they are at the end of the list. If we go check like a month ago, our live streams, the AUD and NZD was all the way at the top where they were trending, and they've been all the way down here. We're not touching them, and that's the reason, the consolidation that they are in, and I'm happy with the system that we have here. Nothing really on these. Looking at oil, nothing really too. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. It is dropping right now, coming here, not reaching the DMA and coming below it. It's depends on how this daily candle close in 7 hours and 40 minutes. We can actually decide if Bitcoin is going to continue being bullish or want to be bearish, because if it close bearish like this, we are going down. Let's take a look at Ripple. Not looking good on Ripple too, to be honest. Not looking good. It looks like bearish, so crypto looks bearish. Let's go back here. We're watching USD JPY. About 10 minutes to close off the 30 minutes. And 40 minutes for the 1 hour. Let me know if you guys are into any trade or you're watching any setup. And don't forget to like it. Like the stream, please. I'm just opening the game. Okay. We have about 10 minutes literally for the first 30 minutes candle close. Not the first, I mean the one that we want to see, 9:30. And then we did what we gotta do. We did already everything, did the analysis, went over all the pairs, and now we're just ready to, well, just have to wait. I'm gonna put these two up here. Yeah, look good. I'm planning a giveaway too, for the community very soon. $42,000 view on Instagram. Nice. Trying to get into the game, but it looks like I have to restart. Delete task manager. CS2. Okay. Relaunching the game. Sorry for the black screen on the top. Learn something new in here too. Ouch. Seriously. That was so painful. Ouch. Nice. That's exactly the map I learned something new on it. Idiot. So basically, you come here, you jump up here, jump and control. Ouch. That's not what is supposed to happen, but I don't know. Oh, that guy now. Nuts. So now that I'm hiding here, they're bots. They're bots, that's what I can see. Damn. But normal people let me kick some off the ass. I heard that there is some servers with bots only in it, and we got kicked couple times here too. Who's at the door? Too early, my guy. It's not even 9:30. Oh, new people joined. Not doing right now. I know, I would never call a store like 8 o'clock, 8:30 in the morning, 9. I'll wait for some nice. Ouch. Let's see. How this bot so good? A little too late. US30 is starting to push. Oh, it's 9:30. Let's jump to the charts. US30 is starting to push up. It's there. Nice. Waiting for DMAs to load. Okay. Pushing nicely. And USD JPY not doing anything really. But US30 looking good. So the TP for it is honestly 53,000 and 53,300. Both of them are very possible. I'm not sure if I have a TP set. No. Let's put 53.3. One. We can do 53 on the other. Okay, so US30 pushing really nicely. Caught it live. And all that kind of things they say in Instagram. No risk, no Ferrari. So usually should have pushed it with US30 pushing it, I think. Not sure if they have any kind of correlation. Looking good. All the time frames are aligned for this. It's much easier just to not do anything other than see what DMAs tell us, honestly. Let's go back to the game. UJ also starting to go. Unlucky. ran from me like that? Looking cool. Flying knife. Oh, flying knife. Find some chicken and knife. Oh, more chicken. More chicken. The sound of the chicken is so good. How did you know I'm there? How the fuck did you know? And how he was up there and down here too. No cheats needed. Okay. This They're definitely cheating. 5,000% of this guy. Yes, buddy. Don't try to act all smart. Or seriously. Oh, a second faster, I could have missed a mobile. Stop calling me before fucking stop. Sorry if you have to hear that. Okay, stop the call. No answer. Some people would love to be declined. So US30 kind of wicked down. Still okay. And UJ is slowly pushing up to you. Let's see. How come can you do that fast? I don't get it. It's impossible, my guy. He was on that. I actually found this what recently. Is it in this one? No. Oh, that's on terrorist. Let's try to go there. What the fuck? Man, that's so hardcore. Can't even do anything to that. So all trades are looking good. Sorry, I'm silent. They pulled up. This damn map is too busy. But all trades are looking. It's going well. Let me kill this. Oh my god, that's the one I have to have right now. How many more shots do you need to freaking die? Then I die with one shot. Really hardcore game. Alright guys, that's it for this session. We have about 10 minutes left. Let's take a look at charts one more time. and then we'll call it a session. I'm gonna hold on to these trades to see what's gonna happen. US30 buy, USD JPY buy. This was a 2 trade we took today. It's Monday, no rush, and a lot of other no's. Thank you guys, and see you tomorrow. Peace out.